Now, when we've got big numbers, we can still get remainder, and we do what we do with any size number. We've got 64,821 to divide by 6. We've got a 6 in the 10,000s place. 6 divided by 6 is 1, so that means we have 1 in the tens of thousands place. But when we get to the thousands, we've only got 4, so we actually can't share those, but what we'll do is rename them to 40 of the hundreds. Now we have to put a 0 in that thousands place as a placeholder. Now the 4 thousands is 40 hundreds, and now we've got 48 hundreds. Well, 6 eighths are 48, so 48 divided by 6 must be 8. So that means we've got an 8 in the hundreds place. Now when we get to the tens place, we've only got 2, so we actually can't allocate that. So we need a 0 in the tens place as well. You see those 0 placeholders, if they weren't there, our number would be very different. Now we didn't share those two tens, so we actually need to regroup them as 20 of the units. Now I need to work out how many 6s are in 21. Well, 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. That's too many, so I can only share 3. But I've actually got some remainder because 3 6s were 18. So that means I've got 3 as my remainder. Now you could write it like that, but you could also express it as a fraction or a decimal. If you think about the fact that we're dividing by 6, a remainder of 3 means we've got 3 out of 6 left. And that is a half, isn't it? 3/6 in fraction form is actually equivalent to half. So we could write that as a half. That's the simplest fraction. But if you want that in decimals, remember a half is 5/10, and that's the same as 0.5, isn't it? So what if we put it as a decimal? We're going to have 10,803.5. So when we look at that problem now, 64,821 divided by 6 is equal to 10,803.5 in decimal form.